children. Someone once told me that with great cuteness comes no responsibility.
When I popped off, then your girl gave me just a little bit of...
It's me. Hi. I'm your bestie. It's me. Hi. I need to ask you something. Will you be my friend?
Excuse me, it's been about 5 minutes since I've last gotten attention. I would like some more.
Top 10 things you should pay more attention to. Starting with number 1. Me.
I'm just laying here thinking, how am I this cute and there's absolutely no one giving me attention?
If you see this, your friend wants you to know that you are actually kind of awesome.